What's up, guys? It's February 5th, 2024. I'm going to do a breakdown of the Emini. First, I'm going to go over the price action, then the first 6 bars of the day, where we are in the market cycle, and the leg 1, leg 2 moves. So we had a gap down. This is a bar. And bears have continuation with bar 1. So here we go. I got the pen out. Bar 1. Yesterday we also had a double top. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3. Breaking out of the EMA. This bar is breaking out below a lot of bars and the EMA. So it's like a bear flag here. Kind of a double top. Today we had a gap down. Let me get rid of that little square thing. Today we had a gap down, and bars 1 and 2 are continuation. Bars 3, 4 are a bull leg. It's a kind of more of a doji bar. I don't know where I was going with that. I was gonna say leg 1. It is kind of a leg 1, leg 2, like this is what I wanted to say. We can measure it. They do look symmetrical. So no, not symmetrical. So yeah, we have a pullback here, and then we have a pullback for the bulls, and then we have another leg up. So we can look at it like this, maybe from here, pullback here. That's a little closer for a leg 1, leg 2 move. And if we were counting the bodies, that would definitely get hit. So bulls get their 2 legs, and then the bears get a breakout with bar 7. First 6 bars of the day look like it's a bear flag with obviously more bearish pressure because the bear flag looks like a double top right here. This is a triangle. If you guys saw yesterday's video, up, down, breakout mode. And then it broke out to the downside. The previous leg was a sell, so there's more selling pressure. And the market started to have a good follow through. I went short right here. It's important to wait to see if these kind of bars get follow through, or for a bad follow through, it might become a sell vacuum like a leg 1, leg 2 move. 50% of the time the market can reverse at the open. So I waited till like bar 9 to get short, and then I got trapped like right here. I got out pretty quick because I was shorting on the way down. It ended up being pretty late, and so there was a leg 1, leg 2 move from here, pull back, and that was met. Or you can keep it going down like this, and you can keep extending it. That was also met. I'm counting 3 legs here, so you can go leg 1, leg 2, and then an asymmetrical leg 3, leg 4. It's better to fade leg 3 than leg 4, and when the legs are not symmetrical when they're not measuring the same, it could be range bound price action. That's what we got today. First 6 bars of the day have more selling pressure, but they're also range bars. This is a range bar, that's a range bar, range bar. This is actually a range bar too, so there's more range bars than trend bars. So we could read it like that. Think of a range bound price action. This is a pretty nice bar. I think a lot of bulls wanted to buy that, or maybe they did buy it and got trapped. If they market ordered in, if they buy stop, they're safe. Then the bulls get a few legs higher, and they get a good breakout above the EMA. I was long for this. Here we can see a head and shoulders reversal pattern. That means, so it could be like a wedge bottom. Leg 1, leg 2. This would be it. Push, second push, third push, right there. Into support. The bigger time frame EMA has been acting as support for a really long time. So the bulls have control over time. And then it goes into a buy the close rally. I thought this was pretty cool. It was a small pullback bull trend. You guys can see the micro channels and lots of gaps. If you guys don't know these terms, check out the first chapters of the Blue Book. They're talking about gaps and micro channels and how you read them. Remember, every channel that breaks is a bull flag. So here's a bull flag. Here's a bull flag. This was a good close. It is getting kind of climactic, and they're going for a test of this area. When we have a lot of bearish pressure and you don't know if it's a reversal, you can wait for the bearish market structure to get broken. I see this as a leg 1 pullback testing this high, and then they went and broke above the EMA. If it's going to be really bullish, like, you will get good closes above the EMA, so you don't have to be the first one to buy down here. I bought one of these closes around here, and then I bought a little bit more up there. So pullback, where are we? Yeah, it's getting climactic. These bars were racing to the highs, and then they get a leg 1, pullback leg 2. higher high double top and 3 strong bars. This ended up being a trap, and bulls got another leg higher, making a new high, and they got that wedge top. After the wedge top got put in, you can see that bulls couldn't make a new high for the day. So bar 65 was the high, and then there's the leg 1 leg 2 move here, and then this was also strong enough to get its own leg 2 move. So here's the leg 1 leg 2 move. But I want to talk about the market cycle before, because the market cycle is important, because depending on where we are in the market cycle is how we trade the day. You know, if it's a trading range, you buy low. If it's a trend, and it's a bull trend, you want to buy the close and things like that. So in the market cycle, it depends how you. So this overall was a range day, but even within the range, we had trend-like behavior. So this was a buy the close for a brief, about 20 minutes. Range days is more scalpy, and we can read that from the first 6 bars. So say range, breakout, channel. Right here's a range, so the market cycle is resetting, breakout above the EMA. Then look, starts to channel here. After the first pullback, that's officially, after we have a buy the close rally, then you get a first pullback. That starts the channel phase, and then look, we go range bound here. False, they go again for a breakout, ends up failing. We go back to a range, and we get really deep pullbacks because now we've had a big down, big up, and now the market's ranging, but it's kind of like a broad bear channel. If you this is pretty hard to trade. After around 12:30 or bar 72, I don't really hit the markets anymore. But I was in this because I got trapped around here. So let's go over the leg 1 leg 2 moves real quick. The gap down. Oh, excuse me, wrong tool. From the start of the gap down to here. There's your first leg 1 leg 2 move. I'm gonna try and identify these moves every day, because I want my eyes to be like honed in on leg 1 leg 2 moves. Leg 1 leg 2 moves. Also, we're gonna go over counter trend leg 1 leg 2 moves. Just because I measure the leg 1 leg 2 moves doesn't mean you take the leg 1 leg 2 moves, but we just think like, I think it's better to expect leg 1 leg 2s, if that makes sense. This looks strong enough. Big pullback. Look at that. That's 3 trades after that's 3 trades after the move was already put in. You know, put in, then it came about. Put in, then it came. Put in, then it came. So you don't even have to be the first one to short. This is more trend. It's easy to get trapped at lows. After the second flag, I start to think about fading the third and fourth flag. So this could be the third flag, and look, it's a good fade into the EMA. Here's 2 legs for the bulls. Micro 2 legs. It's a small one, so go like that. That was met, and then this is also a channel. So here's another leg 1 move, leg 2. That was met, and all while this bullish move is happening, it's taking out bearish market structure. So if you're not sure if you want to buy this, it's okay to wait, because that is kind of the third leg from like leg 1, leg 2, leg 3, and it starts to sell. So maybe you buy this move or you buy this bar. I mean, small, just like one contract on the micro. I've been trading micros now. It's going a lot better for me. So yeah, this is a pretty strong leg. I thought this leg could get its own leg 1, leg 2 move, but how much time do we have late in the day? I think there was a speaker somewhere around in the middle. I'm not sure. And then here, not necessarily a leg 1, leg 2 move, but I saw it from a breakout perspective. I was long for this, and it was not met. But if you wanted to go for this range, it was met, like from this bar to there. That's also a range, and that was met. 2R was not, but 1R was. So there's your leg 1, leg 2 moves. Oops. Do you guys want to see? I can show you the fib tools real quick, just to so you guys see what I'm trading. Here's another leg 1, leg 2 move for the bulls. Here's the bears leg 1, leg 2 move that I went through right there. And then here's a micro leg 1, leg 2 move right there. If you guys want to know about these leg 1, leg 2 moves I'm talking about, check out the blue book. I think I said it already. Alright. I feel like I'm plugging it too much. But yeah, no, it's really important, because leg 1, leg 2 moves, in my opinion, are good to learn. I'm going to be doing market cycle, leg 1, leg 2 moves. Market cycle, leg 1, leg 2 moves. This is the daily and the 45-minute chart here. Daily on the left, 45-minute on the right. This green EMA is still on this green EMA. It's the same. on the 5-minute chart. Daily is looking like a first pullback after a strong breakout, but we are getting more and more extended away. Let's see what the trend line is looking like. There's a trend line. I'm going to leave this trend line up and just see what happens if it starts to get respected. It's kind of what it looks like on the 45-minute. What color? I'm gonna change the color of it though. And actually I'm gonna do it like this. So here's the breakout to this point right here. And I just want it right there. We're gonna see if this trend line gets respected. Ooh, this needs to go up a little bit to the body. Yeah, I like that because now it's like really close to 3 points touching. Kind of like starting at the breakout. We are extended. Trade what you see. Don't just trade a pullback because you saw me draw this. Wait for the confirmation. I'm gonna leave this on a daily chart. I'm gonna leave up these weekly levels. I like this. I'm trying to think about weekly levels more throughout the day. It's helping with the context. Thank you for watching this far. I appreciate you guys taking your time out to watch these videos and dropping the comments. I love them. Keep dropping comments. Let me know what you guys want to see. Let me know what you guys are trading. Have a good one. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.